Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making this beautiful 6 pieces skirt. So you are going to learn how to cut it, the simplest way to cut your 6 pieces skirt. You can see that the fabric that we are using is very beautiful. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now, and you can share my video with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to watch this video. Guys, watch this video to the end. Thank you.
So we are making a 6 pieces skirt. So this is the front side of the fabric that we are using to make it now. So what we do now is just for us now to fold it now. So I want to fold it and start with the measurement. So this is the folding side of the wrong side of it. So now I will start with the measurement now. So the length that I'm using now to get this skirt measurement is 42. So it's 42 that I'm marking. I'm making it 43 with the hem allowance, so that is the length now. So you continue to measure. So what I folded it out there is 8. So it's 8 because our flared will make our flared at the downside 8. So what I will do now is for me now to start with the proper measurement, that is to start from the length to get our half length of our skirt. They call it half length and they call it style line. So that is the style line now. So I'm marking 17. So that is 17 that I'm marking there now. So I hope you can see what I'm doing there now. So it's 17. That's why I'm pointing it out, because you see the chalk is not showing it very well. So after that, what next is for us now to measure our middle side at the center. What I'm marking there is 4. So I'm marking 4 throughout, but getting to that our 17, I'm marking 3.5. That is the style line there. It's 3.5 that I marked there, not 4 again, for us to have that shape there. So from there you connect it. So I'm connecting it now to the waistline there. So that is the upper side of it. So from there, so you'll take it down to the length of the skirt that we are making. So what I'm adding at the downside of it now is that 8. That's why we cut our fabric 8. So it's 8 that I'm adding to get our flare. So I'm drawing it out for you to see, because it's long. So it's 8 that I'm marking there now. So can you see what I've marked there? So I just connected from that style line now to the full length of our skirt. That is where we'll get our flare. So can you see what I'm doing now there? So after that, that is the front side. Remember, it's the front side that we are making first. We are cutting. So down, we'll now cut it out because it's done. So I'm cutting it down from the side, downside of it. So it's a very simple way of making your 6 pieces. Can you see what I'm doing there now? Of your 6 pieces skirt. So that is what I'm cutting out there now for you to see. So after that, we'll use it to cut the back side of it. So now it's the front side that we are making first, like the 6 pieces skirt. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Watch this video down to the end and look at what I'm doing there now. It's a simple way of making your 6 pieces skirts. So can you see now that I've done with the front side? Very easy. So what we will do now is just for me now to use it to cut the back side of it. So I want to fold the back side of it now. So I'm spreading it out now for you to see. Can you see how the shape has come out? So you can see how simple it is to get your 6 pieces skirts. So this is the way I'm showing you how to cut your 6 pieces skirt in an easy way for you. So we've done with the front side of it, that the middle side of the skirt. So this is the back side of it now. What I will just do is just for me to add my zipper allowance. So I'm adding my zipper allowance with 1 inch, just 1 inch that I'm adding to get my zipper allowance, and place the front side of it now. And that is what I'm doing there now, placing the front side of it. So can you see the what I'm pointing out for you? 1 inch. So on that 1 inch is where you will get your zipper allowance. So that is the back side of it that we are making now. So we are using the front side to cut it out. So the only thing we are just doing now is just for us to get our zipper allowance and cut. So it's very easy, very simple. It's a simple way of cutting your 6 pieces skirt. So this is how to cut it out now. So I'm cutting it now for you to see also. So because we are already done with the front side, so we are just using the front side to lay at the back side and cut out, and that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm drawing it out for you because I told you it's a long skirt that we are making, 6 pieces long skirt. So this is the back side of it now. So we added 1 inch on the zipper side of it and use the front side to lay it and cut out. So I've cut it out now. So I want to open the zipper side of it now. So this is the upper side that I've just removed the length so that we'll get our proper length now. So I want to cut, that is to open the zipper side of it now. Starting from the down side is what I'm cutting it out. So I'm cutting it out now for you to see. So after this, what next is for us now to cut the side of the 6 pieces skirt. But this one that we are cutting now is the back side of it, using the front side to lay it out and cut out. So can you see how it is now? So this is the front side and that is the back side. So let me open it for you now to also see how it is now. So can you see it? Can you see the back? This is the back side of it now. So very easy. So can you see? I hope you can do it by yourself. Yes, looking at the video very carefully, you can do it. It's an easy way of making your 6 pieces skirt. Please subscribe to my channel and watch the video because it's helpful. So this is the side of it now that we want to cut out. So what I will do now is just for us now to use that front side of it, that the middle side of it now, to cut out. So what we will do, we just spread it out. So I'm spreading that middle side of it. It's not unfold again, so I'm opening it out for us to use it to cut the side of the side skirt of the 6 pieces. So remember, we are cutting the side now, not the center front or the center back. It's the side of the 6 pieces skirt. So you use the center front that we cut earlier and lay it and spread it out. So I'm spreading it out for you to see, using the middle side of the 6 pieces skirt to cut the side. So I'm spreading it out. So what we will do now, just for us now to just give a measurement. So now the measurement I want to give is just from the waist and the hip. That is all, and we'll cut out. So that is the side of the skirt now. So from the waist side, I'm measuring it to get our waist to hip. What I'm marking there is 8. From the waist to the hip now is 8. Can you see what I'm marking there? 8 is what I'm marking to get the length of the hip skirt. So I'm just adding 1.5. So the allowance, so coming to the hip side also, I'm adding 1.5. It's 1.5 that I'm adding. So coming to the hip line, that is from the waist to the hip, you connect it now. Connect it. So can you see what I'm doing then? I'm connecting it from the waist to the hip. So from the hip now, you just take it to the length, that is to get your style line side, and take your hand out. And what I'm giving it out there now for the flare is that the same 16, because remember that the center front is 8. When you spread it out, what will it give you? It will give you 16. So I'm seeing giving it down at our flared 16. So that's what I've done there now. So just for me to cut it now, so I want it to flow very well. That's why I'm adding that 16 at it, that is the flared side at the downside. So I just bringing it up for you to see, because it's the fabric is long and my camera, I want it to show you everything that I'm doing there now. So that is what I'm cutting now. So I want to cut the side of it now. Remember, it's the side of the 6 pieces skirt that we are cutting now, using the front side to lay it and spread it out and cut out. So please don't forget to subscribe. So I'm just cutting the side of it now. So remember what I did at the waist to hip. I measure from the waist to the hip 8, and to get our allowance so that we can get a space, I added 1.5 for the waist, 1.5 for the hip, and to the downside to get our flare, we spread it out with the middle side and we get our 16. So that is 16 that I added at the downside of the flare for it to flow out. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So it's the shape. So because that's waist to the hip side that you added, it will now give you that curve of your hip. So that is the side now. So now we've done with the cutting. That is the side of it. So this is the one side of this side that we have cut now. So we also cut the other side of it to make it 6 pieces side. So by the time you join to the front 2, join to the back 2, you got your 6 pieces ready. So now this is how it came out. That is the side now. So can you see how it is now? So now it has done. So can you see how it is that we have finished sewing it and it came out very good? So please don't forget to subscribe, watch my video to the end and comment, show it to your friends so you can see that. Thank you.